Your car could be missing one upgrade that completely changes the way you drive, and you might not even know it yet. Imagine turning your regular vehicle into a smarter, safer, and more connected driving machine with a huge touchscreen, wireless phone connection, and a powerful camera system watching the road. Today we're checking out the 4K 10.26 touchscreen car DVR Dashcam Wireless Apple CarPlay Android Auto Dual Lens Video Recorder. At first glance, the biggest thing you notice is the massive 10.26-inch touchscreen display. And trust me, this is not like those small basic dashcams that are difficult to see or control. The large screen gives your dashboard a modern look while making navigation, settings, and camera viewing much easier. But here's where things get interesting. This device is more than just a car screen. It works as a 4K dash camera, helping you capture important moments while driving. Whether it's a beautiful road trip, unexpected traffic situations, or something that happens suddenly, having a video record can give you extra peace of mind. And wait, there's another feature that makes this stand out. The dual lens camera setup adds extra protection by allowing you to monitor more than one angle. A front camera and additional camera coverage can help create a more complete view of what's happening around your vehicle. But the real game changer for daily driving is the wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto support. No more constantly reaching for your phone while driving. Connect your smartphone, use maps, listen to music, answer calls, and access your favorite apps directly from the large display. And here's something many drivers will appreciate. You don't need to buy a brand new car just to get modern technology. This type of upgrade can bring a more premium driving experience to an older vehicle. The touchscreen feels like adding a smart tablet directly into your dashboard. It can make everyday drives more enjoyable, especially for people who spend a lot of time on the road. Now, the big question is this the perfect car upgrade for you? If you want a combination of a large display, dash camera protection, smartphone integration, and a cleaner driving setup, this could definitely be something worth checking out. But don't just take my word for it. Check the link below this video to see the latest details, price, and availability. And I want to hear from you. Would you trust a big touchscreen dashcam like this in your car? Or do you prefer a built-in factory system? Let me know why in the comments. Your opinion might help someone else decide. If you enjoyed this review, hit the subscribe button. It's free and helps the channel grow. Like this video if you want more car gadget reviews. Share it with a friend who loves upgrading their vehicle. More smart car accessories, technology reviews, and useful gadgets are coming, so stay tuned. Your next car upgrade might be just one click away.